You got to raise the pressure you want or lower the pressure you want. This is the light right here. Like it has a vent and it has the rubber pieces padding here. You put the nozzle here, which is about 1.5 feet. You could just put it in here back when you're done. Has a pretty long cable, I guess around 6 to 7 feet. So these extra pieces came with it. This is like to put air inside, like basketballs and all that, and some other pieces there. And it also comes with little instructions, steps on how to use it. So it came on this box here. It's a little windy today. Make sure that you always turn on the car first. So let's do that. Let's plug this in. So right now it says 000, so there's no pressure. Let me see if this is for the light, this button here. Yep, for the light. Just press in all the way in. It'll stay on. There you go. Let's go ahead and put the nozzle. It changes pressure. Let's find the PSI. It's on PSI now, which is 32. 32. You could change it to bar, to kPa, and I don't have my glasses there. Let's stay on PSI. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on 35 and turn it on. So I like that this one stops automatically, as you saw there. Just turn it on and leave and it'll stop by itself. It's a pretty nice device, rugged, and it feels pretty good quality. There you have it. Hope this was helpful. Can you help my channel by subscribing? I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.